Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. Are you looking for a healthy drink that boosts energy and hydrates the skin? Yes, this recipe is for you. This is a simple one and I know you would enjoy it. For this recipe, you want to go ahead and grab a handful of blackberries and blueberries. Go ahead and wash them with apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Rinse them thoroughly, just like how I'm doing in this video, okay? Now, after washing thoroughly, put them in a blender. Add coconut water. Blend. Strain, and you have yourself this refreshing low-calorie drink packed with vitamin C and natural electrolytes. This drink is rich in antioxidants, high in fiber, vitamin C and vitamin K. It supports the brain health and gut health. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share with your friends and family and let's stay healthy. Thank you for watching.